Hello, I am Onik, a professional YouTube thumbnail designer. For the past 5 years, I have been create attractive and high CTR thumbnail for YouTubers. I have already worked with 100 plus clients worldwide, helping them boost their video click and channel growth. Over this time, I have designed 1000 plus YouTube thumbnail for different creators and successful work with channels having over 2 million subscribers. If your videos are not getting views, then your thumbnail must be your biggest problem. My designs are made in such a way that the audience is interested to click at a glance. I design professional thumbnail with Photoshop, which are fully customized and trendy. I can create all type of YouTube thumbnails, including tech review, gaming, blogs, finance, reaction and news, covering almost every niche that performance well on YouTube. If you want, I will understand your content and create the most perfect thumbnail. So don't delay, order now and increase your channel CTR with